to show you how to make a bow. First, we take this paper and we put it on this and we fold it like this. And we do the same thing, but only that way. So, then we're gonna use this so we can tie it. So, now that it's like this, we're gonna open these edges. So, we're going to take a scissor and we're actually going to trim a bit. If you're a kid, you need to have some safety on this. So, let's cut a piece off. And we're going to actually tie the bow because if we don't tie it, it's going to loosen when we want to put it in our head. So, the first knot, we're gonna do this bow. We're gonna do it in the middle. Now we're gonna actually put it under the bow. So we'll get nice. Now let's tie a knot. We're gonna tie 2 knots so it can get a bit like